Who says starting a business during a recession is a mistake? Let's debunk that myth. While many shy away from launching ventures in economic downturns, this video highlights 10 compelling reasons why it could be the best decision you ever make. Curious to see how adversity could actually be your ally in the business world? Stay tuned to discover why now might be the perfect time to launch your startup and thrive against the odds. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider. Wisdom for wealth builders. Hey everyone! Lots of experts might say starting a business during a recession is a terrible idea. But we're here to give you 10 reasons why it's actually a great time to start. Number 1. Less competition. During tough times like now, many businesses struggle to survive and end up closing their doors. This means there are fewer companies out there offering similar products or services. So if you have a compelling story or a unique idea for your business, it's much easier to capture the attention of potential customers. With less competition vying for their attention, you have a better opportunity to stand out and make a lasting impression. In short, in times of economic hardship, there's less noise in the marketplace, allowing your business to shine brighter. Number 2. All-in attitude. During tough times such as a recession or market crash, everyone feels the pressure to work extra hard just to get by. It's like when the going gets tough, people roll up their sleeves and give it their all. You'll find a team of individuals who are determined to fight through the challenges alongside you. In these situations, there's a shared sense of urgency and commitment to pushing through the difficulties, which can be a powerful force for success in your business endeavors. Number 3. Access to skilled workers. During economic downturns, many companies are forced to lay off employees, even though they have valuable skills and experience. However, these talented individuals are still available in the job market, and they're often willing to accept lower salaries than before. As a result, if you're starting a business, you have a great opportunity to hire top-notch employees without having to spend a fortune. With a pool of skilled workers ready to join your team, you can build a strong foundation for your business without straining your budget. Number 4. Everything is cheaper. During tough times, prices drop because there's less demand. For instance, if you're looking for office space, there's usually plenty available, so landlords might offer discounts. Similarly, with fewer customers, vendors are more open to negotiating prices. This means you can save money on things you need for your business. Number 5. It takes a downturn to reveal true grit. During tough times like a recession, we find out who's really tough and who's not. Running a business is incredibly challenging, and not everyone makes it. For every success story, there are many more failures. So if you're unsure about starting a business, that's okay. You can team up with someone else. But if you're someone who's willing to work hard, has a clear vision, and is ready to make sacrifices, now is the perfect time for you to take the plunge. Number 6. Tough times reveal true innovators. What does this mean? When everyone is scared and things are falling apart, you start to think, if I were in charge, I would have done it differently. What if we tried it this way? Oh, maybe we should do it like that. For example, think about education. With all the problems we see today, what if someone created a fantastic university where students came out stronger and more successful? It takes a challenging economy like this for someone to step up and disrupt traditional industries, like education. So if you have ideas for changing an industry, now is the perfect time to make it happen. Number 7. Lower priced equipment due to increased bankruptcies. Consider a scenario where someone buys a gym in 2008. The previous owner had invested heavily in state-of-the-art equipment worth $500,000. However, due to financial difficulties, they had to sell it for a fraction of the price. This new owner paid less than $80,000 for equipment that was barely used for a few years. This is because during tough economic times, many businesses face bankruptcy and are forced to sell their assets at discounted rates. Similarly, when looking at properties, sellers may be more willing to negotiate lower prices. This demonstrates that during downturns, you can find equipment and assets at reduced prices, making it more affordable to start a business. Number 8. Limited investment opportunities. During tough times, there are fewer chances of investors to put their money into new ventures. This happens because when many businesses struggle and close down, there are fewer opportunities for investors to find promising ventures to support. A few years ago, investors had numerous options to invest large sums of money in various projects. However, during downturns, these opportunities become scarce. But for those who manage to succeed during challenging times, it becomes easier to catch the eye of investors who are actively seeking promising ventures to support. Number 9. Established players get complacent. When a company has been successful for a while, its leaders may start to relax. They might think, wow, look at how well we're doing. I can take it easy now. They might spend more time playing golf, sleeping in, or leaving work early. But when new competitors enter the scene and start shaking things up, it forces these established companies to work harder. As a competitor, there's nothing more satisfying than making your rivals break a sweat. It's a wake-up call for them because many of them have been coasting for years, pretending to be busy when they're actually not doing much. But when you enter the picture, ready to put in the hard work and spot their weaknesses, it's your chance to make a real impact with your business. Number 10. Making every cent count. This means being able to make the most of your money. Imagine you're from a wealthy family. If something costs $800, you might buy it without thinking twice. But if you're from a poorer family and someone says it's $800, you'd bargain hard because you can only afford $450. Haggling like this can save you a lot of money. When you're starting a business, everyone involved learns to be really careful with spending. But your competitors who have plenty of cash don't always know how to be so frugal. That's an advantage for you. In conclusion, starting a business during tough times can actually be a good idea, giving you special chances to grow and do something new. It's a time when innovation thrives, and those who are willing to take risks can reap the rewards of their efforts. By seizing the opportunities presented during downturns, entrepreneurs can position themselves for success in the long run. What do you think about starting a business when the economy is down? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.